Revolutionizing endoscopic tools, an innovative approach to driving mechanism design. The search for more accurate and less invasive techniques in surgery has led to the ongoing advancement of biomedical tools, with endoscopic instruments being particularly important in modern surgeries. These sophisticated tools grant surgeons the ability to conduct delicate operations with unparalleled precision and control. Endoscopic instruments have revolutionized the field of surgery by minimizing the physical impact of surgical interventions, improving patient recovery times, and expanding the possibilities for both treatment and diagnosis. This study showcases a new driving mechanism designed specifically for endoscopic instruments, with the goal of overcoming current limitations in terms of control, reliability, and user-friendliness. By combining advanced engineering concepts with the unique needs of surgical procedures, this innovative design represents a substantial improvement in the functionality and effectiveness of endoscopic equipment. This study introduces a mechanism that aims to improve the precision of surgical procedures and reduce patient trauma through rigorous design processes such as mechanical calculations and ergonomic considerations. Design and parts assembled using Creo 9.0 software. This chapter covers the entire design process from conceptualization to detailed engineering analysis, highlighting the potential for future advancements in the field. It emphasizes the importance of engineering innovation in expanding possibilities in biomedical instrumentation to enhance surgical outcomes and patient care. Finally, the study discusses prospects, including the integration of smart materials, advanced imaging technologies, and possibly robotic automation, which could further revolutionize surgical practices. Endoscopic surgery is changing the way doctors perform operations. Instead of making large cuts, surgeons now use tiny instruments and cameras to carry out procedures through small openings. This approach is called minimally invasive and is much easier on the body. Thanks to new technologies and better tools developed in recent years, endoscopic surgery is becoming more common and more effective. These special instruments, combined with high-quality cameras, give doctors a clear and close-up view inside the body. This means they can perform delicate surgeries with more accuracy and cause less harm to surrounding tissues. As a result, patients often feel less pain after surgery, spend less time in the hospital, and recover more quickly. Endoscopy isn't just used for surgery. It also helps doctors diagnose health problems. It allows them to see internal organs and even take tissue samples without needing full surgery. With ongoing improvements in computer technology and the introduction of robotic tools, endoscopic procedures are becoming even more advanced. In short, endoscopic surgery is safer, faster, and more comfortable for patients. As technology continues to improve, this method will likely become the standard for many types of surgery and diagnosis in the future. This new biomedical surgical instrument is designed to make minimally invasive surgeries easier, safer, and more precise for both surgeons and patients. It features a comfortable handle, a responsive trigger, and a flexible shaft, all of which help surgeons maintain better control during delicate procedures. Made from durable, safe, and easy-to-clean materials, the instrument is built to meet real-world needs in hospitals and clinics. A color-coded design makes it easier to use correctly and safely. The tool is also designed in parts that can be replaced or upgraded, which adds to its convenience and cost-effectiveness. In the future, the instrument could be improved even further with smart materials, better imaging tools, and even robotic features. Its thoughtful design shows a commitment to advancing surgery in a way that is efficient, affordable, and patient-friendly. This innovation points to a future where surgeries are quicker, less painful, and have better outcomes. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.